Good afternoon. Marine grade plywood. I've had already kind of put it up. Alright guys, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get a nice fit on this side. You know, I'm pretty happy with that. This will come together real glass. Pretty happy with that side. I'll sand, and I'll get this side true. You know, it was just a rough cut. Work one side at a time. Yeah, I think I'm good. I think I'm happy with this side. This will come together. It's on the little gussets in there, so it's set down a little bit. And the good thing about this stuff, it's pretty forgiving, and I gotta cover all this with fiberglass and resin anyways, so it's even gonna make it a little fatter and thicker. But yeah, I'll do top and bottom. I want this completely sealed. Then I'll scab my little piece here too, and I'll make sure it's supported. And it'll be all one piece when I fiberglass them on both sides of it. And yeah, it won't even go back on here until top and bottom is good and sealed in fiberglass. And then build this up and tear it in. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I think it might storm on me, or I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm gonna keep working until I can't. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Flip this and kind of cut this edge down just a little bit more, you know, not much with my little jigsaw. The rest I'm gonna sand. I'm gonna take my time, sand it with some 60. If I had a little rougher I probably would, but I got some 60 until I get it to where it'll just kind of drop in, you know. This side's pretty much where I want it. It could maybe get a little bit more adjustment if I need to, but yeah, I'm gonna work this side in, see what happens really. You know, I did do some marking lines. There. Oh, not here, but the other side. You know, take your time with this stuff. Wood's not cheap, especially marine plywood, so yeah, take your time, don't get in a hurry. Do a nice job, do the best you can. That's all you can do. Do the best you can, baby. But that's where we're at so far. I'll start sanding. What do you think about this? I think I'm happy with that. Ooh. I think I'm pretty happy with that. I might bevel it down that edge just a little bit more. But it's looking happy. It's looking happy. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty happy. think it's gonna be happy. Yes, sir.